Hey devs, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our online quiz management system. And now guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to install a Laravel project and what are the requirements. Okay. So guys, now let's get started. So first step guys, we have to go to our Google Chrome and download the Composer. So here, just search for Composer install or Composer download. So you can get on the first link. And here you have a download and run the composer setup.exe file, and just it's a simple step to install in your Windows. Okay, so guys, after installing the composer, let's move on the node install. Just search for node install and then go on the link and download your node package. Okay, so I have already installed this composer and node, and then guys, search for one server. So I am using with the XAMPP server, so you can just click on it and download the latest and download, and just click next and install your XAMPP server. Okay, and finally guys, one editor, that is VS Code editor, just download and install in your system, and that's it. So now guys, after you're installing a XAMPP server, it looks something like this. So I have just started the Apache and MySQL. So once you start your Apache and MySQL, you'll be able to access your localhost slash phpMyAdmin. Okay, if you don't find, you can just click on this admin button. So it takes you to this phpMyAdmin dashboard. So now guys, you can just click on this database and you can get started with creating your databases. So before getting started with the creating database, let's go to the Laravel website. So here I have opened laravel.com and here is the documentation. So first up guys, we are going to install our Laravel application into our system. So now guys, let's move to our file explorer. So you might find a XAMPP folder if you have a XAMPP server. So go to XAMPP, then htdocs and create a folder according to your requirement. So now guys, I am opening a terminal in this file explorer. So here is my terminal, and now let's get back, and to start installation, creating an application, let's click on it, and here you see that Laravel new example app. Okay, so this is a way to create a project. So before this, you have to install your Laravel installer. Okay, so guys, instead of using this, I will just use another way to create a project. So for that, you have to go to the previous version and copy the command. So let's go on the Laravel 10, and here is a creating a project, and yep, so this is a command guys. So till now I will copy this and get back to your terminal, paste space and the project name, so online quiz, hit enter. So creating a Laravel project, which is the latest version, which is v11 3.3. Okay, so guys, let's wait until it gets completely installed. So guys, our Laravel application is completely installed. So now you can get back to your file explorer and see that we have a folder called online quiz, and inside this you have your complete project. Okay, so now you can open this in your editor. So let me right click, show more, and here we have an option, open with code. So let me just open that. Perfect. So here our application is open, and let me go to the .env file, and here you have to update your database. So by default it has given SQLite. Instead of SQLite, you have to paste MySQL because I'm using XAMPP server. Okay, so let's change this MySQL and then uncomment this and then update your database name. So now let's get back and create the database. So create database online quiz. Okay, copy that, create the database. So we have a online quiz database created. So now you can get back and paste that database name here. Okay, and username and password is by default root and password is null. So guys, let's save this and open a new terminal to serve this application. So yep, click here on this terminal and new terminal. So your terminal opens. And now guys, let's run the command to serve the Laravel application. PHP artisan serve. Hit enter. So here you see server is running on localhost 8000. Get back to the browser, localhost 8000. Hit enter. So here we get internal server error. That means it is asking for some table configuration session does not exist. So guys, before serving the application, you have to run the migration as mentioned in your installation part. Okay. So yep, get back to your editor. Let me open a new terminal here below this and run the command php artisan migrate. Hit enter. So your migration is pushed to your table. So now get back and here we refresh. So here you see all the tables has been created. And now get back and refresh your localhost 8000. Perfect. It has been successfully running. Okay. So guys, let me just show you for a verification. Like this is the Laravel 11 version. So you can just go into your composer.json file and here you see that Laravel framework that is 11.31. It is currently. Okay. Basically it's a Laravel 11 version. Yep. So now guys, in this video, that's it. And let's continue in the next video with the new topic of this online quiz system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.